Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. We are so excited to have you again. The Ohanaeze Ndigbo has been very emphatic about the issue of 2023, and for them, they believe that it is strictly for them, despite the fact that Biafra, that's IPOB, is still agitating for self-determination. They say that it does not matter. 2023, they have to be in Aso Rock. But shockingly today, Arewa Consultative Forum, their youthful wing, which is chaired by Yerima Shetima, is trying to throw in trouble in between, Biafra and Ohanaeze Ndigbo based on what they are trying to do right now. And that's what we want to look at. They know that Ohanaeze Ndigbo are earnestly designed to be president come 2023, and sure, they are going to be coming around to talk to the northerners. And also, Biafra is not ready to quit self-determination, which they have been pushing for years now. So right now, they are trying to cause issues between the two parties by, putting a kind of sort of division between them. That's what we want to look at right now. And for me, this is a stylish move towards depriving the Southeast of the two things: presidency come 2023 and even, Biafra, because they want to make sure that the elites are standing against those who are agitating for self-determination. All right, we're going to look at details of all of that in a jiffy. But before we continue, if you're not subscribed to our channel, kindly hit the red subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you get notification anytime we publish our videos. And according to the news, the Arewa Youth Consultative Forum, AYCF, has said that the leader of the Southeast must ensure sanity within their region before negotiating for presidency in 2023. The AYCF National President Yerima Shetima made the remarks in response to comment by Ohanaeze Ndigbo, Apex Igbo socio-political organization, that they would reach out to other regions to allow Southeast produce Nigeria president in 2023. Speaking, Shetima said it would be difficult to trust Southeast with power amid the call for Nigeria's break-up by groups and individuals from the region. Recall that the President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, George Obiozor, had said 2023 was the turn of the Southeast to produce Nigerian president. Obiozor had disclosed that the Southeast would negotiate with other regions to allow for an Igbo presidency in 2023. But Shetima said Nigerians would not deprive them such an opportunity if Southeast leaders deal with Igbo dissent calling for Nigerians' breakup. He said, and I quote, that's Shetima, this is what he has to say. He said, if Ohanaeze says they will negotiate, then that's a bit of politics. But unfortunately for them, they need to ensure sanity in their region first. Nobody will deprive them the opportunity to produce the president being a Nigerian, but not when they have one of their own threatening the corporate existence of our nation, Nigeria. They have not taken any decisive step to condemn the action and inaction of those criminally minded people, but expect Nigerians to entrust them with power. It will be difficult to entrust them with power. It's better for them to ensure sanity in their home before coming to the table to discuss with those on top, so people can say they have shown commitment and not by threats and intimidation. Those days are over. This is quite serious. Yeah, I know. Ohanaeze Ndigbo, despite the fact that a lot has been happening, they are very emphatic. They are so serious. I could still remember Obiozor when he was talking on Arise television. He said, in his word, I will just quote his word. He said, "We support Igbo president with open arm. It is the most important thing that will happen to Igbo. Finally, it is our turn, and we are going to work it out so hard." He went further to say, "We will talk to other parts of Nigeria to give us a chance because it is right, reasonable, deserving, and timely. It is wonderful to consider it now. By this time, Igbo presidency is our agenda." That was what he said when he was granted interview. But right now, these guys are out to see how they can cause division among those who are striving for self-determination, talking about IPOB, and also Ohanaeze Ndigbo. They know that Ohanaeze Ndigbo is looking for presidency, and there is Biafra at the other side. For them to have good reason why they shouldn't give presidency to the southeast is for them to tell them, stop the unstoppable. Yes, stop the unstoppable. Because for me, I believe that Biafra, for it to have lived for as long as how many years now? It started far back in 1960, and right now, after a while, it stopped. In 2013, this guy came up so strong. Yeah, there had been other people. I can't deny that fact. There had been other people who were also moving and striving to have Biafra. But 2020. 2018 was when Nnamdi Kanu came out so strong, and he has been there agitating despite everything that has been done to see how he can calm down and forget about the secessionist move. He's not ready. He is hammering on the fact that they can no longer share geographical location with Nigeria, that they need their own geographical location called Biafra. Now, looking at the situation of things, it's quite obvious that Biafra is not going to calm down. Let me use that word, calm down, for these guys to have presidency. And now Ohanaeze Ndigbo, one of the deliverables, I strongly believe, one of the deliverables for George Obiozor is for them to ensure they enter the nooks and crannies of Nigeria, to ensure that they catapult the idea of Igbo presidency, and it is accepted by the Northerners. But right now, the Northerners, being smart, they're saying, make sure that these guys do not exist, and then we'll give you the opportunity to be the president. And guess what? By the time they go out there to negotiate for it, that will still be the same thing that they will present before them. And that will be the end of that Igbo presidency stuff, because they themselves, they know that they cannot stop Nnamdi Kanu and IPOB from pushing for, self-determination. So right now, it's very glaring that Igbo presidency come 2023 is not a possibility. For me, I felt that by the time the leadership of Ohanaeze Ndigbo go out there to negotiate for presidency, what people will say will like, okay, let's give them. When we give you, please promise us that you are going to calm these other guys down, and they won't continue striving and thinking of dividing Nigeria and all of that. Or they would think from this other perspective that if we give them presidency, surely these other guys, the agitators for, Biafra, will calm down a kind of. But unfortunately, they are saying, if you want presidency, make sure that you exterminate or calm down the secessionists. That's talking about IPOB. So looking at the situation, the future of Igbo presidency seems very bleak to me. It's not possible. And with the way things are going, what I'm perceiving is that division will be the order of the day. Don't forget that why these guys are striving to become president or to present an Igbo presidency is because most of them are already aged. Look at the age of someone like George Obiozor. It's an old man. He has succeeded in his maybe academic pursuit, and then he's thinking of seeing how he can enthrone an Igbo person as the president. Look at some other persons. Time is no longer at their hands. You understand? So that's why you are seeing everybody moving. The political destinies of some of them their retirement date is very close. So that's why you are seeing that push. But with Nnamdi Kanu, who is so strong and who is so determined about Biafra, it therefore means that that possibility of presidency will not be there. Now the question is, what's going to happen now that they have responded to Obiozor? Go to our comment section and let us interact. Do you think that this will multiply or deepen the division between Ohanaeze Ndigbo and the secessionists? That's those pushing for self-determination, talking about IPOB. Let's interact.